The rise of the machine's AI invades music. Music, a universal language, is changing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly infiltrating the music industry, pushing boundaries and sparking debate. From generating catchy pop tunes to composing complex orchestral pieces, AI is demonstrating its prowess in ways unimaginable just a few years ago. This technological revolution is forcing us to confront fundamental questions about creativity, ownership, and the very essence of music. Is AI simply a tool, or is it poised to become a musical maestro in its own right? The implications of AI-generated music are far-reaching, impacting musicians, composers, and music lovers alike. As AI systems become increasingly sophisticated, blurring the lines between human and machine creativity, we must carefully consider the potential benefits and challenges that lie ahead. Will AI democratize music creation, making it accessible to anyone with an internet connection? Or will it lead to a homogenization of musical styles, stifling human expression and innovation? The debate surrounding AI music is often polarized, with passionate voices on both sides. Proponents hail it as a groundbreaking tool capable of unlocking new sonic possibilities and breaking down creative barriers. They argue that AI can assist artists in overcoming creative blocks, exploring uncharted musical territories, and producing music more efficiently. Critics, however, express concerns about the potential loss of human touch, the devaluation of artistic skill, and the ethical implications of machines mimicking and even surpassing human creativity. As we delve deeper into the world of AI music, it's crucial to approach the topic with nuance and an open mind. This is not simply a matter of technology versus humanity, but rather an opportunity to explore the evolving relationship between the two. By examining the mechanics, potential, and limitations of AI in music, we can begin to navigate this new landscape and shape the future of this powerful art form. Inside the algorithm, how AI makes music. AI music composition is a complex process involving sophisticated algorithms and vast datasets of musical information. At its core, AI music software analyzes patterns and structures in existing music to learn the rules of harmony, melody, rhythm, and even emotional expression. This musical knowledge is then used to generate new compositions, often tailored to specific criteria such as genre, mood, or instrumentation. One common approach to AI music generation is through the use of neural networks, a type of machine learning algorithm inspired by the structure of the human brain. Neural networks are trained on massive datasets of musical examples, allowing them to identify complex relationships between different musical elements. Once trained, these networks can generate new music by predicting the most likely sequence of notes or chords based on the preceding musical context. Another method utilizes genetic algorithms, which mimic the process of natural selection to evolve musical ideas over time. In this approach, a population of musical fragments is generated, and those deemed most fit according to predefined criteria are selected and recombined to create new generations of musical material. This iterative process continues until a satisfactory composition is achieved. It's important to note that AI music software does not create music in a vacuum. Human input is crucial in shaping the creative process, from selecting the training data to setting parameters and refining the final output. AI can be seen as a collaborative tool, augmenting human creativity rather than replacing it entirely. However, as AI systems become more advanced and capable of independent decision-making, the line between human and machine creativity becomes increasingly blurred. Creativity conundrum: is AI music truly art? The question of whether AI-generated music can be considered true art lies at the heart of the debate surrounding this technology.
Can an algorithm truly capture the nuances of human emotion and expression that we associate with great music? Or is AI-generated music merely a technical feat, devoid of the soul and meaning that infuse human creations?
Proponents of AI music argue that the ability to generate novel and aesthetically pleasing musical pieces is itself a form of creativity. They point to the fact that AI systems can produce music that is often indistinguishable from human compositions, demonstrating a mastery of musical principles and an ability to evoke emotional responses in listeners. Moreover, they argue that AI can push the boundaries of creativity by exploring unconventional harmonies, rhythms, and structures that may not occur to human composers.
Skeptics, however, contend that AI-generated music lacks the emotional depth and intentionality that characterize human art. They argue that AI systems, for all their technical prowess, are ultimately just sophisticated pattern recognition machines, capable of mimicking but not truly understanding the human experience that underpins great music. Without the lived experiences, emotions, and motivations that drive human creativity, AI-generated music can feel sterile and formulaic, lacking the spark of genuine artistic expression.
The debate over the artistic merit of AI music is likely to continue as the technology evolves and generates increasingly sophisticated and nuanced compositions. Ultimately, the question of whether AI can create true art may depend on our definition of creativity itself. If we view creativity as the ability to generate novel and aesthetically pleasing works, then AI has undoubtedly crossed that threshold. However, if we believe that true art must be infused with human emotion, meaning, and intentionality, then the jury may still be out on AI music. Copyright chaos. Who owns AI-generated music? The rise of AI music has thrown the traditional concept of copyright into disarray, raising complex legal questions about ownership and control over AI-generated works. If an AI system creates a piece of music, who owns the copyright? The programmer who created the AI, the user who input the parameters, or the AI itself? This legal gray zone has significant implications for the music industry, potentially disrupting established business models and creating uncertainty for creators and consumers alike. Current copyright law is based on the principle of human authorship, granting exclusive rights to the creator of an original work. However, AI systems, while created by humans, operate with a degree of autonomy that challenges this traditional framework. Some experts argue that AI-generated music should be considered a work for hire, with ownership belonging to the individual or company that commissioned the work. Others propose treating AI systems as independent creators, granting them legal personhood and the associated rights to their creations. The lack of clear legal precedent has led to calls for updated copyright laws that address the unique challenges posed by AI-generated content. Some jurisdictions are exploring the possibility of creating a new category of copyright specifically for AI-generated works, while others are focusing on clarifying the application of existing laws to this new context. The World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, is also actively engaged in discussions on the implications of AI for intellectual property, recognizing the need for international cooperation and harmonization of laws in this rapidly evolving field. The resolution of copyright issues surrounding AI music will have far-reaching consequences for the music industry and beyond. Clear legal frameworks are essential to encourage innovation in AI music technology while ensuring fair compensation for creators and promoting the continued development of a vibrant and diverse musical landscape. A balanced approach that recognizes the contributions of both human and machine actors is crucial to navigating this complex legal terrain. Music is often described as a universal language of emotion, capable of expressing a vast spectrum of human feelings from joy and love to sadness and anger. But can AI, for all its technical prowess, truly replicate the emotional depth and complexity that we find so compelling in human music?
This question lies at the heart of the debate surrounding the artistic merit and potential impact of AI in music. Proponents of AI music often point to the ability of algorithms to analyze and mimic the emotional cues present in human music.
By identifying patterns in melody, harmony, rhythm, and timbre that are associated with specific emotions, AI systems can generate music designed to evoke particular feelings in listeners. Some argue that this ability to manipulate emotional responses through music could have therapeutic applications, using AI-generated soundscapes to promote relaxation, reduce anxiety, or even treat mental health conditions.
However, critics argue that AI-generated music, while capable of mimicking the surface-level characteristics of emotional expression, lacks the genuine emotional depth of human music. They contend that true emotional resonance in music arises from the composer's lived experiences, their understanding of human emotion, and their ability to translate those feelings into a musical language that resonates with listeners.
AI systems, lacking these fundamental human qualities, can only produce a pale imitation of true emotional expression. The question of whether AI can truly replicate emotion in music is likely to remain a subject of debate for years to come.
While AI systems may become increasingly adept at mimicking the technical aspects of emotional expression, it remains to be seen whether they can ever fully capture the depth and complexity of human feeling that makes music such a powerful and enduring art form. The rapid advancements in AI music technology have sparked widespread concern among musicians about the potential impact on their livelihoods. Will robots replace human musicians? Is AI poised to automate music creation and performance, rendering human creativity obsolete?
While the future remains uncertain, it's essential to approach these concerns with a balanced perspective, recognizing both the potential threats and opportunities that AI presents for the music industry.
It's undeniable that AI has the potential to automate certain aspects of music creation and performance. AI-powered software can already generate catchy melodies, compose backing tracks, and even mimic the playing styles of renowned musicians.
This technology could lead to job displacement in certain areas, particularly for session musicians, or those involved in the creation of generic, formulaic music for commercial purposes.
However, it's crucial to remember that AI is ultimately a tool, and its impact on the music industry will depend largely on how it's implemented and adopted. Rather than viewing AI as a threat, many musicians and industry experts see it as an opportunity to enhance creativity, streamline workflows, and reach new audiences.
AI can free up musicians from tedious tasks, allowing them to focus on higher-level creative endeavors, such as songwriting, arranging, and live performance. Moreover, the human element remains crucial to the emotional impact and resonance of music.
While AI can generate technically proficient compositions, it's the human connection, the shared experience between performer and audience, that truly brings music to life. The energy of a live performance, the subtle nuances of a musician's interpretation, and the emotional connection forged through music are all elements that AI, at least in its current form, cannot replicate.
The future of music is likely to involve a dynamic interplay between human creativity and AI technology. Rather than fearing obsolescence, musicians who adapt to these changes, embracing AI as a collaborative tool and leveraging its capabilities to enhance their craft, are likely to thrive in this evolving landscape.
As AI continues to infiltrate the music industry, a new era of collaboration between human musicians and intelligent machines is emerging. Rather than replacing musicians, AI is increasingly being embraced as a powerful tool for creative exploration, pushing the boundaries of musical expression and opening up new sonic possibilities.
This collaborative approach is blurring the lines between composer and algorithm, challenging traditional notions of authorship and creativity. One example of this collaboration is the use of AI as a songwriting partner.
Platforms like Google's Magenta Project and Jukebox provide musicians with AI-powered tools that can generate melodies, harmonies, and even lyrics based on specific prompts or emotional cues. These systems can help overcome writer's block, spark new ideas, and facilitate the exploration of unconventional musical structures.
Musicians can then refine, arrange, and infuse their own unique style into the AI-generated material, creating a hybrid work that blends human and machine creativity. AI is also being used to create interactive musical experiences, where algorithms respond in real time to a musician's performance, adapting and evolving the musical accompaniment based on the performer's cues.
This dynamic interplay between human and machine can lead to unpredictable and exhilarating performances, pushing the boundaries of improvisation and audience engagement. Such collaborations challenge traditional notions of a musical score as a fixed entity, transforming it into a fluid and interactive dialogue between human and artificial intelligence.
This collaborative approach to AI in music recognizes the unique strengths of both human and machine creativity. Humans excel at emotional expression, nuanced interpretation, and the ability to connect with audiences on a personal level. AI, on the other hand, offers unparalleled computational power, access to vast musical databases, and the capacity to generate novel ideas and explore uncharted sonic territories.
By combining these strengths, musicians and AI can create musical experiences that transcend the limitations of either working in isolation.
Section 8. The Evolving Soundscape. AI's Influence on Music Genres. The influence of AI on music extends beyond individual collaborations, shaping the very soundscape of popular genres and influencing the evolution of musical styles. From pop to electronic dance music, AI is leaving its mark on the sonic landscape, challenging traditional genre conventions and blurring the lines between established categories. In pop music, AI is being used to analyze hit songs, identifying patterns and formulas that contribute to their commercial success. This data-driven approach is influencing the creation of new pop anthems, with algorithms suggesting catchy hooks, predictable chord progressions, and repetitive lyrical themes designed to appeal to a mass audience. While this can lead to a homogenization of sound, some artists are using AI to subvert expectations, creating unexpected twists on familiar formulas and pushing the boundaries of pop music within its established framework. AI is also having a profound impact on electronic dance music, or EDM, where algorithmic composition and sound design have long been integral to the genre's sonic palette. AI-powered tools are being used to generate complex rhythms, intricate synth patterns, and evolving soundscapes that would be impossible for humans to create manually. This has led to the emergence of new subgenres and microgenres within EDM, each characterized by unique sonic textures and rhythmic complexity driven by AI algorithms. The influence of AI on music genres is an ongoing process, constantly evolving as technology advances and artists find new ways to integrate these tools into their creative workflow. While some fear that AI could lead to a homogenization of musical styles, others see it as an opportunity to break free from genre constraints, fostering hybridity and innovation in the sonic landscape. As AI continues to shape the future of music, we can expect to see further blurring of genre boundaries, the emergence of new sonic aesthetics, and a constant push and pull between the familiar and the unknown. While AI offers exciting possibilities for the future of music, it's crucial to acknowledge and address the ethical implications of this technology, particularly concerning bias and discrimination.
AI systems are trained on massive datasets of existing music, and if these datasets reflect historical biases or underrepresentation of certain groups, the resulting AI-generated music can perpetuate and even amplify these inequalities.
One concern is that AI music algorithms, trained primarily on Western music traditions, may exhibit a bias towards these styles, potentially marginalizing or excluding music from other cultures or underrepresented communities. This could lead to a homogenization of the global soundscape, limiting the diversity and richness of musical expression.
To mitigate this bias, it's crucial to develop AI systems that are trained on diverse and inclusive datasets, encompassing a wide range of musical styles, genres, and cultural influences. Another ethical concern is the potential for AI music to perpetuate harmful stereotypes or discriminatory practices.
For example, if an AI system is trained on a dataset of music that associates certain instruments or genres with specific genders, it may generate music that reinforces these gender stereotypes, limiting creative opportunities for musicians who don't conform to these norms. Addressing this issue requires careful consideration of the data used to train AI systems, ensuring that it does not perpetuate harmful biases or exclude marginalized voices.
The ethical implications of AI in music highlight the importance of responsible development and deployment of this technology. Developers, musicians, and policymakers must work together to ensure that AI music systems are designed and implemented in a way that promotes diversity, equity, and inclusion.
This includes addressing issues of data bias, transparency and algorithmic decision-making, and the potential impact of AI on the livelihoods of musicians from marginalized communities. AI is not only transforming how music is created, but also how it's consumed, shaping the future of listening habits and influencing the way we discover, experience, and connect with music.
From personalized playlists to AI-powered music recommendation algorithms, technology is reshaping our relationship with music, offering both convenience and potential pitfalls.
Streaming services like Spotify and Apple Music already utilize AI to curate personalized playlists tailored to individual users' listening histories and preferences. These algorithms analyze listening patterns, identify musical similarities, and recommend new artists or tracks that align with a user's taste.
While this can lead to the discovery of new music and a more personalized listening experience, it also raises concerns about the creation of filter bubbles, where users are only exposed to music that conforms to their existing preferences, potentially limiting musical exploration and discovery beyond their comfort zone.
AI is also being used to create interactive and immersive listening experiences. Spatial audio technology, powered by AI algorithms, can create a 3D soundscape, placing individual instruments and vocals in a virtual space around the listener.
This technology enhances the sense of realism and immersion, making listeners feel like they're in the same room as the musicians. AI-powered virtual reality (VR) experiences take this immersion a step further, transporting listeners to virtual concert venues or allowing them to interact with virtual representations of their favorite artists.
While these technological advancements offer exciting possibilities for the future of music consumption, they also raise questions about the potential impact on human connection and shared musical experiences. Will AI-curated playlists and personalized recommendations lead to a fragmentation of musical taste, isolating listeners in their own sonic echo chambers? Can virtual concert experiences ever truly replicate the energy and communal joy of attending a live performance?
As AI continues to shape the future of listening, it's crucial to consider both the benefits and potential downsides of these technological advancements, ensuring that they enhance rather than detract from the power of music to connect us.
As we navigate the rapidly evolving landscape of AI music, it's essential to find a balance between embracing technological innovation and preserving the irreplaceable value of human creativity.
Rather than viewing AI as a threat to human musicians, we should strive to cultivate a symbiotic relationship where technology enhances and amplifies human expression, pushing the boundaries of artistic possibility while celebrating the unique qualities that make us human.
One way to bridge this gap is through education and collaboration. By fostering dialogue between AI developers, musicians, and educators, we can ensure that AI music technology is developed and implemented in a way that benefits both creators and consumers.
Music education should incorporate AI tools, teaching students how to leverage these technologies to enhance their creative potential while fostering a critical understanding of the ethical implications involved.
Another crucial aspect is promoting transparency and understanding around AI music. Many people harbor fears and misconceptions about AI, fueled by science fiction portrayals of sentient machines replacing human creativity.
Demystifying AI, explaining its capabilities and limitations, and highlighting the crucial role of human input in the creative process can help alleviate these fears and foster greater acceptance of AI as a collaborative tool.
Ultimately, the future of music lies in finding harmony between AI and human creativity. By embracing a collaborative approach, fostering understanding, and prioritizing ethical considerations, we can harness the power of AI to unlock new sonic possibilities, expand the horizons of musical expression, and ensure that music remains a powerful force for human connection and emotional resonance in an increasingly technology-driven world.
The AI music dilemma is not a simple choice between embracing technology or clinging to tradition. It's a complex and multifaceted issue that demands nuanced discussion, careful consideration, and a commitment to responsible innovation. As AI continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, it's our responsibility to guide its development in a direction that benefits both creators and consumers, preserving the soul of music while embracing the transformative potential of technology. We must approach AI music with a critical yet open mind, acknowledging both its potential to revolutionize the creative process and the ethical challenges it presents. By fostering dialogue, encouraging collaboration, and prioritizing ethical considerations, we can shape the future of music in a way that celebrates human creativity, embraces technological advancements, and ensures that music remains a powerful force for good in the world. The future of music is not predetermined. It's a canvas waiting to be painted by the collective choices we make today. Let us choose wisely, thoughtfully, and with a deep respect for the power of music to move, inspire, and connect us all.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful.